Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're stepping inside a home that beautifully blends two of my favorite design concepts, mid-century modern and Hygge. At first, you might not think these two go together. Mid-century design is all about clean lines, geometric shapes, and a sort of minimalist elegance. Hygge, on the other hand, is about warmth, comfort, and creating a cozy feeling. But as you'll see in this tiny house, they're a perfect match. The magic is in the details. You'll notice the classic mid-century furniture, the tapered legs, the simple forms, but they're softened with natural materials and layers of texture. We have a plush wool rug underfoot, soft blankets draped over the sofa, and warm, natural light pouring in from that large window. It's all about creating a space that feels both stylish and incredibly welcoming. Even the decor reflects this blend. We have iconic mid-century pieces, but they're paired with elements that bring in that Hygge feeling, a handcrafted ceramic mug, a small plant, a flickering candle. It's a curated space, but it's not sterile. It feels lived in, loved, and deeply personal. And the kitchen is no different. We have the sleek, functional lines of mid-century design, but the use of warm wood tones and thoughtful touches like that small art piece on the wall make it a place you actually want to spend time in. This house proves that you don't have to choose between style and comfort. You can have both. It's a space that honors timeless design while prioritizing a feeling of contentment and coziness. It's a sanctuary. You might think these two are opposites. Mid-century design is known for its clean lines, geometric shapes, and a sort of elegant simplicity. Hygge, on the other hand, is all about creating a feeling of cozy contentment. But as you'll see, when they're combined, they create something truly special. The magic is in how the clean, minimalist bones of mid-century style are softened with warmth. We see the classic tapered legs and sleek wood of the furniture, but they're paired with thick blankets, plush pillows, and materials that feel inviting to the touch. This isn't a museum. It's a sanctuary. This home proves that minimalism doesn't have to feel cold. It's about being intentional with every piece. Each item has a purpose, but it also brings a sense of comfort. The natural light from the large windows isn't just for brightness. It's a key part of the atmosphere, making the space feel open and alive. Even the kitchen follows this philosophy. It's designed for efficiency with those classic mid-century lines, but the warm wood tones and the thoughtful placement of a handmade mug on the counter make it feel like the heart of the home. This tiny house is more than just a place to live. It's a lesson in design. It shows us that you don't have to choose between a beautiful, curated space and a home that feels incredibly comfortable and lived in. You can have both. It's a perfect balance of form and feeling. You see the iconic mid-century features, the simple, elegant forms, the use of warm woods like walnut or teak, and the clean, functional design, but look closer. This isn't just about sharp angles and cool aesthetics. This is about creating a feeling. The Hygge, the coziness comes from the soft layers, the warm, ambient lighting, and the careful selection of materials that feel good to the touch. Every object in this space has a purpose, but it also contributes to a sense of peace. This is the essence of intentional living. The minimalist approach isn't about having less. It's about having just enough of the things that truly bring you joy. It's about surrounding yourself with beauty and simplicity so you can focus on the moments that matter. The kitchen, while small, is designed for slow, mindful living. There's no clutter, just the essentials, making every task from brewing a cup of tea to preparing a meal a simple pleasure. It's a space that encourages you to slow down and savor. This tiny house proves that true luxury isn't about size. It's about a well-designed space that makes you feel at home, at peace, and connected to your surroundings. It's a style that transcends trends. It's timeless. Mid-century design is all about form and function, using clean lines and natural materials to create something elegant and timeless. But this home proves that minimalism doesn't have to be cold. The magic is in the Hygge. We're using layers of texture, soft, ambient lighting, and warm, natural elements to create a feeling of coziness and contentment. Notice how every item is carefully chosen. It's not about clutter. It's about a collection of pieces that bring joy and warmth. The focus is on quality over quantity and on creating a calm, quiet atmosphere. It's a space that encourages you to slow down, to be present, and to find beauty in the small moments. This tiny house is a testament to the idea that true style isn't about size. It's about a well-thought-out design that serves your lifestyle and makes you feel at home. It's about creating a personal sanctuary, a place of peace and warmth. It's the very definition of modern Hygge living. Mid-century design is all about form and function, using clean lines and natural materials to create something elegant and timeless. But this home proves that minimalism doesn't have to be cold. The magic is in the Hygge. We're using layers of texture, soft, ambient lighting, and warm, natural elements to create a feeling of coziness and contentment. Notice how every item is carefully chosen. It's not about clutter. It's about a collection of pieces that bring joy and warmth. The focus is on quality over quantity and on creating a calm, quiet atmosphere. It's a space that encourages you to slow down, to be present, and to find beauty in the small moments. This tiny house is a testament to the idea that true style isn't about size. It's about a well-thought-out design that serves your lifestyle and makes you feel at home. It's about creating a personal sanctuary, a place of peace and warmth. It's the perfect blend. That's the philosophy behind this space. You see, I've always been drawn to two very different styles. On one hand, there's the clean, elegant lines of mid-century modern design. The simplicity, the focus on function and form, it's timeless and chic. But then there's Hygge, that beautiful Danish concept of cozy contentment, of finding joy in simple, everyday things like a warm blanket, a good book, or a cup of tea on a rainy afternoon. At first, I thought they were opposites. How do you combine the minimalist, sleek nature of mid-century with the soft, cozy feeling of Hygge? But then I realized they aren't opposites at all. They're complements. The clean lines of this armchair provide the structure, the foundation. The cozy knit blanket makes it an invitation to relax. The simple teak table is practical, while the small candle on top adds that touch of warmth and atmosphere. It's all about a perfect blend. In a tiny house, every single item has to earn its place. So I chose things that not only serve a purpose, but also bring me joy. The mid-century pieces bring a sense of style and order, while the Hygge elements bring a sense of calm and comfort. It's a house that feels both sophisticated and incredibly welcoming. This tiny house isn't just about small living. It's about intentional living. It's about curating a space that reflects your truest self, a space that gives you room to breathe, a place to recharge, and a home that truly feels like a warm hug.